Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babra from Hyderabad. Today, entering into topic and advice to you, please watch the video till the end without skipping. Don't skip the video because in this video, it is very, very important. The practical work done in Tally Prime is very important. So watch the video till the end so that you will understand the practical work in the Tally Prime till the end. Okay, so don't skip. If you skip, you will know theory only. You will not understand the practical work. And after viewing the video till the end, please, if the video is good, please like my video, and in the comment section, you please post your comment about the video. Okay, now we will enter to the subject now, topic today. Today our topic is job work. So job work in the Tally Prime, how to record the transactions relating to the job work in the Tally Prime. So now we will enter into the subject, and we will share the screen now, and I will tell you what is that. Okay, here today our topic is job work out and job work in order processing in Tally Prime. So job work out order processing as well as job work in order processing in the Tally Prime. First of all, you have to know what is meant by job work and what is meant by job work out and job work in order. Job work out order, job work in order. See here, generally the people, the manufacturers or the companies, they purchase raw material, and they manufacture the goods. Sometimes after purchasing the raw material, they will manufacture only in part, that is only semi-finished product he will make, and the balance work he will give the order or work to some others for finishing the work, or sometimes without making any production work, total raw materials will be given to others to complete the production work by others. In such a case, that a transaction is called job work. Giving work to others is called job work. The person, either the full work or partial work, whatever it may be, the person who is giving the job work to others is called the principal. He is the owner of the goods. It's called the principal. He will say, from his point of view, that is for him, the order is called job work out. Job work he is giving to others, giving out. That's why it is called job work out order. Job work out order for the principal. The person who takes the work, undertakes the work and completes the manufacturing and returns the finished product is called the job worker. He is the worker for the job. That is, he is called job worker, and for him, the work is coming into his business. That's why it's called as job work in order. Job work is coming. So job work in order. So principal, job work out order. For the job worker, it is job work in order. And how these are processed, we learn in two parts, in two videos. One we learn about the job work out order processing. In the next video, we will learn about the job work in order processing. Okay, this is what we had to learn now. And now, first we will take up the job work out processing. In the job work out processing, so we will know what is the procedure in the books of the principal. Job work out is for the principal. And see here, first of all, we have to create the company, and then we have to go to the F11 features. We have to enable some features related to the job work features we have to enable. If it is already existing company, so just we can go to F11. Otherwise, if it is a new company, you create. After creating directly, we will go to the F11 features. So I will take up that I will take up next one. And then after that, we have to, there are some, generally all the vouchers which are using normally, they will be active. So we can, with the help of the short key, F9 for purchases, F8 for sales, F5 for payment, F6 for receipt, short keys. With the help of the short keys, we can open that. But there are, for this job work process, for the job work process, the job work out process, there are 3 voucher types which are not generally used. That's why they will be inactive. So we have to make them active. We have to make them active, and in them, in the vouchers, we have to make some settings. They are called as configuration. We have to make some configuration. There are only 3 types of vouchers. That is 3 voucher types. One is all the 3 we have to activate, and only in one only activation. Other 2 we have to make some configuration. We have to make some configuration. And then after that, we have to go to the gateway of Tally. See here, we have to create and configure the required ledgers, go downs, and stock items. Go down, the required ledgers means whatever the ledger, creditor, and taxes, purchases, and all these things. So these ledgers we have to create, and then go downs we have to create. See here, when you purchase the goods, so raw materials we purchase, we keep in one go down. When you learn about, when you discussed about the manufacturing, we know finished products and and what you call raw materials. Raw materials are also called components. So for the finished components or raw material, we have to keep one go down, and for the finished products, one go down we have to create. And when you are sending the goods out to the job worker, so our material with the job worker, for that purpose, we have to create another, go down for the job work. That is called job work go down. Simply called as job work out go down. We are sending out. So job work out go down, we are sending the goods to that go down. So job work out go down, we have to create the go downs, and in these go downs, we have to make some small setting or configuration. And then stock items we have to create. We know how to create the stock item is, we have to create unit, we have to create stock item, we have to create the stock group also. Stock units may be simple unit, sometimes alternate units. So if there are 2 units we are using, so purchasing in 1 unit and manufacturing in another unit, then we have to 2 units. They are called as alternate units. If that is required, we have to make the alternate units. We have to make the setting. That is configuration. This we have to do. And then purchase, we have to purchase raw material. So purchase voucher we can use. And then we have to give the order. For giving the order, so what is the material we are giving order? So for that purpose, we have to give the material. So when you want to give the material, we must know for the order, that is what is the quantity we are ordering. For that order quantity to give the raw material, we must know what is the material required for manufacturing 1 unit of the goods. 1 unit, but it may be kg or number, piece, anything. So to manufacture, to make 1 unit of the finished goods, what is the material required? We have to take. So based on that, what is the order we are giving, quantity? So according to that quantity, we can give the material. For that purpose, we know in the manufacturing, we will prepare a list of the components or list of material called as bill of material. Here we are making the bill of material, not our production, for the purpose of the goods, raw material to send to the job worker. So that bill of material we have to make the bill of material. After purchasing, we'll make the bill of material. Then we'll give him order, job work order. On the basis of the bill of material, we'll give the order and the raw material required for that order. That is the quantity required, quantity for which is given for the job. So based on the quantity, we have to give the order and the required material. And then we will send the material to the job worker. That is called material out voucher. We will send. And then go on. And then he will use the material, raw material, and he will manufacture the goods, and he will return the finished goods to us. Then we are getting the material. So when you are sending that, we will send that in the material out voucher. When you are getting the finished goods, this is for raw material. Material out is raw material. And when you are getting back the goods, we get the finished goods. So for that finished goods, we get the material called as material in that voucher, material in voucher. And then purchase voucher. He said after that, along with the goods, he will send the invoice also for the charges called as job work charges. We have to pay job charges. So for that charges, he will send an invoice because he is selling the service. Service or goods, purchase and sale, we use purchase voucher for raw material purchasing. Here again purchase voucher. This is for the job work charges. So whether goods or service, when you are providing sale, and when you are getting, it is called as purchase, the voucher, not ledger. Voucher is for goods as well as services. Purchase voucher for purchasing, say, goods as well as services. But purchase ledger is different. Ledger is for purchase ledger is for the goods, sales ledger is for the goods, but for the services, only service ledger will be there. No purchase account will be, purchase ledger will not be there. This is only voucher. Okay. And then we will get that voucher. That is the invoice. Then we will write it as, he will sell it as his sales invoice. He will send. We will write it in the purchase invoice. We are purchasing the goods, services. So purchase invoice, the charges we will write. And then we will pay the charges and we will pay for the raw material purchased, the creditor also. We may pay in full or we may pay in part also, depending on the finance. This is what we have to do. This we will do in the Tally Prime. So first, create a company and enable the process. So here, I already created job work out order payment company. So for that, I already created. See here, if you go to alter, you go to the company menu, go to alter, you can see the company created, company alteration. Now, once when you are creating, it is show as company creation. After that, when you open, it means that you are going to alter. It shows as company alteration. See here, I created the company, address and state, everything I did. So company creation is no problem. Everything is same. And after that, creating, you will go to the F11 features. Since I completed already created, now I am clicking the F11. Otherwise, it will go to that. So here, maintain accounts, bill-wise entry, inventory features, you call taxation features, that is GST details. So e-way bill and you make it nil, no. So give the number and GST details, all are same. To any business, these are same. In addition to this, we have to give some another things. Here it is showing no. Here we have to enable that, enable job order processing. We have to enable the job order processing with enable in F11. So job order processing, see here, job order processing, make it yes. And then enable cost tracking. You can make it yes or no, no problem. Even if you give yes, we may use or may not use it. It's not a problem. So we will make it no. Okay. Or you can make it yes also. No problem. We can make it yes also, no problem. So then accept this window. Okay. So what you did, completed. We completed the two things. That is, the first one you completed. Then configure required vouchers. Say here, there are only three type of vouchers, new vouchers here. This is one is what you call material, that is material out voucher, material in voucher, then job work order. These three are new for this business. It is only for job work. These three are required. So these three, so job work order, material out voucher, material in voucher, we have to create. That is create and we have to enable. Already voucher types will be there. We have to activate that and make configuration. See here, actually they will be available in the vouchers version. Go to F10, 10 other vouchers if you go. So all will not be visible, only active will be visible. These are all active, all with short keys. And if you go to show inactive, act, and all others which are not active, they will show. Some have short keys, some don't have short keys. We require only three. That is job work out order, then material out voucher. This is job work out order voucher, then material out, material in. These three we require. So here, if you click it here, they're inactive. They can be activated, they will be activated, and they can be opened here. Because there is no short key, so we have to open here only. We have to open here only because there is no short key. So we have to open here or active here and activate and open, but we cannot configure. That is why where you can configure them is go to alteration page, go to alter, then go to voucher types. Go to voucher types, all will be available here. So in this case, here we can activate and configure. Opening, only opening, we have to go to F10. Here we cannot open because there is no short key. So here, see, material, job work, out order. Go to that, activate it. So here, how you will activate? Here you see, after the name, activate this voucher type. It is no. So we have to activate that, yes. Now it is activated. And then, so in this job work out order, only activation, that's all, no other configuration. So I accept this. Okay. And then go to material out. Material out, we are sending. Material in, we are getting the finished goods. So open material out, and this also activate. So activate voucher type, yes. And but in this case, after activation, we have to make some configuration. Come down to the end. Use for job work. Use for, the first one is job work order. Name itself is job work order. That's why there is no configuration. Here material out, we are sending for job work. See, use for job work, make it yes. And then there is another option, use for job work. And this is not job work in, this is a job work out, not in. We are not getting, we are giving. That's why make it no, only use for job work, make yes, and accept this. Then go to material in, that is after finishing the goods, finished goods will be received by us. So for that material in, this also you activate. Yes, activate this type of voucher. In this case also come to the end. This is also used for job work. So make it yes. And after that, job work in is not required. Again, another one, allow consumption. See, material in means after finishing the goods for manufacturing, we are getting the finished goods. That is why for manufacturing, the job worker will consume the raw material we sent. That is why here, that one, in this material in finished goods allows the consumption also. That is why allow consumption also we have to make. So material out only job work, material in allow use for job work as well as allow consumption. These two we have to make. Be careful. So that's all. And then in addition to this, we will go to many other vouchers. See here, then go to alter, because go to create and you can create anything you want. But what I do is I always do go to alter only. If you go to alter, whatever you want to see, anything, ledgers or stock items, if you go to alter, first of all, you will see whatever is already created. And if anything new you want, you can go to create on the top and create there. So we can view already existing plus new items also you can create. That is why if you go to create directly, see ledger, if you select directly, we will go to create button. We don't know what are already created. That is why I always go to alter. So go to alter. First of all, what you have to do is now go to ledgers, go to ledgers. So in the ledgers I already created. There is one problem. We will take up the problem number 1. I'll show you. So here I already, when you are purchasing the raw material, we will purchase. So first of all, we start the business with capital. So for that I created capital and under capital group or capital account group. Okay, that's one. And then when you are purchasing, we purchase from a creditor. So I created a creditor name, see name, Sunday creditors with number. Okay. And then we are purchasing goods. So we have to open purchase account. See here, generally previously we used to create only purchases under purchase accounts. But here we can open one purchases for any purchase, or we can open different account purchases as per the percentage, purchase as per the location, local, non-local, that is interstate purchases, or local purchases, or purchase 5%, purchase 18%, purchase 12%. Like that you can create. What I did is I combined it to local purchases 5%. So we can do, and but whatever it may be, any account you open, the group will be under means group will be purchase accounts only. And then come here, GST applicable. Don't give the details here. We'll give you details, rates and everything in stock item. So keep it no and select goods. So purchases we created. When you are purchasing, if there is tax, you have to create the tax also. So here IGST, CGST, HGST. Here also I created in a different way. CGST, HGST you can create on a single name, but you can create when you are purchasing input, inward purchasing. Purchasing means we are paying that one that we will get back as ITC. It is called as input ITC, input tax. So input GST. When you sell, it is called output GST. So here I am creating input CGST, input HGST. When selling, output CGST, output CGST. So we can create like that. Or simply, we can create only simply CGST, HGST, everything will be common. So I am creating input for purchasing, input CGST. This is same duties and taxes. Go to GST, central tax. Okay. Then SGST, input SGST, duties and taxes, GST, state tax. If there is any, you are buying from others also, then we will create input IGST and then duties and taxes, GST. Here, integrated tax you will select. If it is out of state. So like that we created. So we created the creditor, capital we created, taxes and purchases. And the job work charges that I created already, that we will go to that later. And this is also one job worker. This is job worker. This we will go to, we will check up later. Okay. So we created this. And then we require godowns. So here, in some cases, in our tally, by default, I mean, if the setting is not by default, it will show as location. Location or go down, both are same. So we can keep it as it is location, or you can make it, change it to go down also. Actually, location is international terminology. Go down is India and other SAARC countries. For that, go down is the terminology. So if you want Indian terminology, so we can change it. How we will change it? Go to F1. Go to F1, then come down to settings. F1, settings, yes. Then on the drop down menu, come to country. So F1, settings, yes, country. So simply you can see F1 in our book, in our keyboard, F1, yes, C, country. So here see, first one is country is default. That's okay. And then don't use enter. Use the arrows. So down arrow to showing use accounting terminology of international. Now change it, don't type. For changing it, enter. If you enter that, see India as arc, and then accept, Control A. So now we see it is showing as go down. Change it to go down. So, but both are same. Okay. So now we have to create the go downs. So we require 3 go downs. One is for raw material, one is for finished goods, one is for job work out. So, okay. Create this here. There will be main location by default. So we have to go to create, and then it will show by default there is one location exists, main location. If you want to alter that, I'll create a new one. So keep it as it is. Go to create new. Now we will go to raw material go down. Okay. And in this case, in the go downs, 3 go downs. In these go downs, in addition to this, one small setting is required. That is one small configuration. That is, in these go downs, what is the material stored? Our material or others' material? Our material in our go down. Okay. Or our material with others, or others' material with us. Our material may be with us, with third party stock with us, or our stock with us. So in this case of raw material, our stock will be with us. For that, there is one configuration. Go to F12, configure. F12, come to the end. See, enable third-party stock details. So third-party stock with us, our stock with third party, like that. Make it yes. If you make it yes, there is one use for the options are there. So our stock with third party stock with us. But in this of raw material, our stock will be with us only. So these two are not necessary, not applicable. So just accept this. Okay, just only that. Then finished goods. Finished goods go down. So in this case also, finished good also, our goods will be with us. So just make this to no. Okay. Now job work out go down. So in this case of job, I'll keep all under primary. In this case, so job work out go down means job work out, we are sending the goods to the job worker. That is why our goods are with the job worker, third party. So here, our stock with third party, make it yes. So in this job work go down is the job work go down of the job worker. So our stock is with him. So our stock with third party accept. So in this only, so in this job worker go down only, the our stock with third party we have to make yes. In the case of others, both will be no only, because our goods will be with us. Okay. So we created the go downs. So go downs we completed, ledgers we completed. Now you go to stock groups. We can make, when you are creating the stock items, we can create the stock groups, units, everything. So here we'll go to stock item. So in this case, there is one problem. Our problem in this problem, I will tell you, the problem is the finished goods is ladies suit. Ladies suit. For that, raw material is dupatta, kurti, and salwar. These are the 3 materials. These are all raw materials, or they are called as components also. And the ladies suit is the finished goods. So we have to create the stock items. Go to create. Now, first of all, dupatta. So in this case, this one I already created. Dupatta means raw material. So take raw material. How it is created? It is simple. Raw material. But this case, this must be yes, because should quantities of items be added, these quantities plus or minus, they will be added, then only the stock items, the stock balance will be shown correctly. You always make it yes. Okay. So raw material, we already created, and now you have to create the units. Okay. In this case, in our problem, okay, we are purchasing this material in meters, but we are making the lady suit. Lady suit, we are making 500 pieces. Okay. So purchasing meters and pieces. So how many meters we are purchasing? How many meters are converted into pieces? So there are two units. They are called as alternate units. So here we require meters and pieces. So I created meters and pieces. These are all small. Okay. I mean, simple. So if you come here, so this is meter. If you go to control enter, see here, simple meter, meters, and I am taking meters means we can take 3 digits. So 999 centimeters, 1000 centimeters will be meter. So 3 digits we can take. Just I am taking only 2. Enough. Okay, 2 enough. If you require 3, you can take 3 also. So this is I have taken. Okay. So meters. But here for this dupatta meters are converted into the lady suit centimeter, I mean pieces. So that's why we have to take the alternative unit also. For this, go to F12, So here, see, units of measure we are taking. So here, use alternate units. There is no. So make it yes. If you make it yes, and accept. So here it is asking the alternate units. So alternate is piece. And what is this required here? So here, this is that for making a one piece of the lady suit, what is how many meters required for dupatta? Dupatta 2.15, then kurti 2 meters, salwar 2.5 meters you will take up. So here pieces, and here, sorry, it is meters, and then alternate unit is pieces. So one piece is 2.15 meter for the first one. For the dupatta, it is 2.15 meter, and here make it yes, applicable, make it yes, and give the dupatta, and number will give a number, and here taxable, here it is tax is imposed. There is tax is 5% tax. That is why we are taking 5% x, then taxable you take up, and you will take up 5%. So this is the first one. Okay. The next one is kurti. Kurti we have to take. It is also raw material only. Raw material, meters only purchased, and it is to be converted into pieces. One piece is equal to 2 meters. Okay. Applicable? Yes, it is kurti. Kurti will give the same number, and taxable 5%. Taxable 5%. Okay. The next one is salwar. Salwar, it is also raw material. It is also purchased in meters, converted into pieces. One piece is equal to 2.5 meter. It's given, see here, meters, 2.15 meter, 2 meters and 2.5 meters. Okay. So, and yeah, applicable, this also yes, and salwar, this is the same number because all are class only. So taxable, then 5%. Okay. So these are all raw material. Then we have to create finished goods also. What is the finished goods? Finished goods is ladies suit. So we have to take ladies suit. Ladies suit are purchased, we are making. So this is called as not raw, it is finished goods. All the 3 other are raw material or components. This is finished goods, and this is made in pieces, not meters. And for the pieces, there is no alternative unit. And here, when you are creating the finished goods, so at the time of manufacturing we discussed. So when you are making the finished goods, we have to make the bill of material. That is for making or for manufacturing 1 unit of these finished goods, what is the material required? So for that, we have to make the bill of material. We have to prepare the list of material. So for that, you have to go to F12. See here, after the alternate units, set components list. Means list of components or raw material. That is bill of material for stock items. You make it yes. Okay. Now you see, after that, here, alternate unit not applicable. Come down. Here, set components. First time it will say set components. Next time onwards, whenever you use, open that. Set or alter components, it will say. First time you are setting. So make it yes. Now it will come to the bill of lading. So bill of material. Bill of material list of ladies suit, and the name of the bill of it will give the same name. Ladies suit. Ladies suit is the bill of the, what we call ladies suit is the name of the bill of material. Okay, now how here we want to know what is the material required for one piece. This is manufactured in piece only. For one piece, what is the material required? So all the three we require, and these were them. What we call these raw material will be in the raw material go down. But actually, see here, first dupatta we take up. Go down, which go down we take? So you can take up as raw material go down or job work go down. From our raw material go down, we will give the material, but directly we will not give the product. We will give to the job work out go down, we will give. From the job work out go down, that will be used. So here job work out order is not given still. So we can make it as raw material go down or job work out go down. From job work out go down, they will use. So we will take that job work out go down. And what is the dupatta required? I know. So for one piece, 2.15 meter required. So meter, it will be converted into one piece. Then next one is dupatta, then kurti. Kurti also you can just type J. So job work go down, and then it require 2 meters for one gun. Next one is salver. Just type yes. Salver, job work go down, make it J. Click J, enough. And here it requires 2.5 meter. So this is the thing required. That is the raw material required, bill of material. Then tax applicable. This is also will be sold. So take it as applicable. Then chat alter details, GST details, yes. So you make it as ladies suit. Ladies suit, give the same number because are all class only. Taxable. This will be also 5% only. So we have completed. So we have completed the stock items also. So we have completed stock items, go downs, ledgers we created, some 1 or 2 later. Go downs we finished, stock items we finished. Now, and bill of material also we finished. And now we will go to purchase of material. After purchasing also you can make raw material, no problem. We can make the bill of material. We can finish it. Now we will go to the vouchers. We will go to vouchers. First we will go to voucher. First voucher, we will go here. Here, first of all, this is, see, 1/4/22 started business with a capital of 5 lakhs. So, first of all, we have to show the capital. So, capital means that is date is 1/4 is the date. So, we are getting the cash into the business as capital. So, credit capital 5 lakhs to cash. So, we got capital. At every stage, just we will check up the reports. Okay. So, we now see. Now, we go to reports. Just it will be shown in the balance sheet only. So balance sheet. So to see the details, all to F1. See, capital 5 lakhs, cash in hand 5 lakhs. Okay. Now what we did, we brought the capital into business. Now next one, we will purchase raw material. We will purchase raw material. So for that, the entry will be, that is the same date. F9 is the key for this. Sometimes if the purchase voucher is in this model. This is particulars means it is not goods. It is, in the case of service without goods, we use the particulars. But here we are purchasing raw material. It is goods. That is why go to Control H or click this change mode. Go to the upper one, item invoice. So item invoice will go. So just you will take up the number something, and where you are purchasing. I told you already, I created already. Creditor, Global Corporation. See here, we purchased from Global Corporation, Hyderabad means local. This is the material. Every material, 2000 meters we purchased at the rate of 5%. So now here, we'll go to the person. That is Global Corporation. Created. Now, when you are purchasing goods means we have to show the purchase ledger means we created sales purchase account. And now what are the material purchasing? All the three. So just click D, dupatta. Now here it will, another video will come, item allocation, go down. So when you purchase the raw material, where you will keep? We will keep in the raw material, go down. So make it click R, raw material go down. What is the quantity you are purchasing? 2000 meters. And what is the rate? First one is, so the rate is, see, first one is 40 kurti 50 rupees and salwar 60 rupees. Okay, so 40 rupees, this one. This is first one. Then come to the second one. Then kurti, K. Just type K, it will come. And here also the same material, raw material go down. Raw material go down, quantity is same, 2000 meters, but it is 50 rupees. Okay, this is completed. Next one, salwar, type S. And here also raw material go down, R, raw material go down, quantity is 2000 meters, rate is 60 rupees per meter. So 12,20,000. So this is we think purchase. And then CGST, SGST, input CGST and input SGST. So if you type SGST, it's enough, it will come. Input IGST. Input output, there are two. In such a case, we have to type input I or O, input or output. Otherwise, just CGST, SGST enough. So we purchase the goods. Okay, we purchase the goods. Now you see, go to the reports, go to the stock report. See here, Alt F1, we'll see the details. In the raw material purchased, here, raw material is there, it is showing. Okay, and it will show in the profit and loss account also, purchase account. So purchase account, 5% purchase. And also in the balance sheet, so it will show on the asset side, it will show the closing stock, the same will be stock because it's not used. Stock 3 lakhs, and we purchase from the creditor. See here, from creditors we purchase for 3,15,000, but out of that 15,000 is the tax, GST. So balance 3 lakhs is the value of the goods. Okay, this one. And also you can go see in another, go down in another place. So go to what you call display reports. If you go to here, stock summary, we will go. Inventory books. If you go to inventory books, go down. So finished goods, nothing is there. Job work go down, nothing is there. Go to raw material, go down. So here the raw material we purchased, it is showing. And group summary also, if you go finished goods, you don't have. Raw material goods we have. Okay, like this is the report. So we purchase the goods. Then what we do after purchasing the goods? After purchasing the goods, we will give the order, then send the material. So job work order we have to give. Now here we purchased. Now we were giving the order. Here see date. So this is one we purchased. And then on second, we sent the order to Suprabhat Tailors for stitching 500 pieces of ladies suit at 60 rupees per piece. That is the job work charge is 60 rupees. Okay. Now we have to give the order. The order is given on second. So go to voucher, go to 2nd April, go to 2nd April. We are giving the order, job work order we are giving. It is called a job work out order. So here we have to go to other vouchers, go to inactive. Already we activated there. Otherwise you have to activate that and then go, then open. It's already activated. See here, job in the orders voucher, job work out order. There is no short key. That's why you have to open. Job work out order we have gone. And here, where are you sending the order? Whom we are giving? See here, we sent order to Suprabhat Tailors for stitching. So here Suprabhat Tailors I already created. This is also a creditor. So I created Sunday creditor and we have to pay the charges. So Sunday creditor and accept here. Send through. We don't know the details of the sending, just only giving order. Just you will say we will send by truck and we will pay cash for this because we don't have bank. And the duration of process we will give 1 month. 1 month means by 1st May they will give. And the nature of process, what is the work? See here, why you give what is the order we are given? See here, the charges for cutting, stitching and packing. Okay, so stitching and packing. Okay, so this is the work we have given and then accept the name of the person. And here we have to give, when we are giving order, we have to give an order. We can give it as job work out, JWO, job work out you can give, or simply give the name of this person. See, Suprabhat Tailors says just simply you can give ST. So I am giving JW01. That is job work out order. This is so 1. And what is the order we are giving? We are giving the order for the finished product of ladies suit. For the ladies suit, we are giving. For the ladies suit, you are giving. So here, for this one, for this lady's suit, for the lady's suit, what is the material required as per the this? For the how many units are given for ladies suit? Here, see items allocation for ladies suit. This is the order number. Track the components. What are the components required? Here it will come. Here the due date when it will be due. I'll take it as 2515 they will give and go down. So this is the finished product. Why will keep the go down here? Why will you keep the go down? We will keep the goods in the finished goods go down. So you take it as F. Take F, finished goods go down, and then what is the quantity we are giving order? We are giving order for 500 pieces. So that's why we have to take it as 500 pieces. So when you give 500 quantity, what is the rate means? Total material cost as well as job work charges. So for we have given the BOM for one piece. For 500 pieces, how much material required? So it go to that field. Here, see. Ladies suit for go down. This is the components allocation for this, and fill the components using ladies suit. For this, we have to give. So here, see here, what you do is, so first of all, so first one is dupatta, and here due on, what is the due date? 15, and here we can take it as 15. Then here by default it is showing as job work order, but job work order means we will give the order from the raw material go down, we will send the goods. You not yet sent, na? So raw material go down. So take up raw material go down. From see ladies suit, finished goods we will keep in finished goods, and the job work order when you are giving, we are going to send the material later. So from where we send? We send from raw material go down. Okay. Now second one also the same thing. 15, and raw material means R. If you type R enough, raw material go down, we send from that later. And then when you send the goods, then they will utilize the material from the job work order. But here we are not yet sent. That's we will send from the raw material. Again here also first May, and again R. Raw material go down. By default it is showing. If you take that also you can take. If you take that, it will show some error. Okay. So like this we are giving. So now 1 minute. Here we are completed. See how much, what is the total required. So here total amount required, that is material cost. This is for 500 units only, 500 spaces only, this is required. So here 43,000, 50,000, 75,000. This is the total cost divided by how many pieces? 500 pieces. That means for every piece, that is for every piece, the amount required is 336 rupees plus the job work charges are there. For each one, we have to give 60 rupees. So that is the total cost. So 336 plus 60, it will be 396 for each one. So 396 is the rate. So for 500 pieces, it will be total 698, 168 raw material cost plus 30,000, that is 500 into 60 rupees. 30,000 for material, job work charges. Total will be 198. Okay. So we have sent the material. So we have sent the job work order. So this is the required material required. Here this is the material required. So this material we have to send to the party. That is, we have to send to the job worker. Now the same date, on second itself, we send on the same date, we send to the job worker the goods. That's why for sending the goods, we give it as material out. So go to the other vouchers, go to material out. This is the raw material sending. When you get the finished goods, raw material in. So material out will go, and here the date is the same. Where they are sending? We are sending to Suprabhat Tailors, purchased from Global Trading Corporation, and sending now to job work to Suprabhat Tailors. And what is the order? So this is the order number. See, component issue order, issuing the raw material here, and then we are paying cash, and now we are sending the goods. Now we know what is the delivery document. We are sending by truck, destination. So I gave it as, I gave these people Patan Cheru. So I gave it as Patan Cheru. So I am giving Patan Cheru, and agent, carrying agent will give it as Navata Transport. Okay. Navata Transport. Then they will give the receipt, lorry receipt. This is called LR number. Lorry, the LR number or bill of lading. And when you are sending 24, we are sending. We are sending on 24, and the vehicle number will be some. I will take up TS08, something like this. Okay, and this is over. And then accept this. So here, so we are sending the order to the Suprabhat tailors. Now we are sending the order. Where you are sending? We are sending the order from our godown to his godown. That is job work out godown. So destination godown from our raw material. Where you are sending to? Where you are sending to? We are sending to raw material out godown. So collect as job work out. Sorry, job work out. Job work out godown. So we are sending to job work outs here. Destination where it is reaching job work out godown. And now, so we know all the three salary. These are already shown in the first one. In the job work out order, we have shown all this. So here dupatta we are sending. So here sending to job work out order. From where? From our raw material godown we are sending. So just if we click that, it will show the order number, and by default it is showing raw material godown. From raw material godown we are sending. And here be careful, date and raw material godown, okay. But here component of ladies suit, these three are components. So component for the ladies suit. So here it has to show component of ladies suit, that has to show, just to check up every time, everyone. This is one. And then next one, kurti. This also same number, same raw material godown, ladies suit. That is component of ladies suit. Okay. Then salwar, same number, raw material godown, then component of salwar suit. I mean ladies suit. Okay. So this is completed. So what I did, we completed the thing. Now here you see, after purchasing that, we gave order. Okay, we gave order to him. So for that purpose, order we gave and we sent material also. Just you go to the stock summary, go down. Go to stock summary, go down. See here, Alt Control F1, Alt F1. See here, it is showing 2000. So we purchased 2000 meters, but we sent them. We sent to the job work out go down. We sent material out, but still it is showing, because here, if you just said here, we sent them, but they are not used. We sent them because even if you send to the go down, that is our material only. That is why total it is showing. Now you see here, if you enter this, it will show the details. Now go to Alt F1, it will show. See here, it is dividing. In raw material go down, this is the balance, and job work go down, this is the amount sent. So these are all the raw material sent to the job worker go down, and balance in our go down, both are sending. Okay, when that is consumed, then this job work go down, this will disappear, only the balance will be shown. Okay, this is the raw material. The same thing in the profit and loss account, it will not, there will be no difference, raw material will be there. Then you go to display more reports. Now we go to display more reports. We enable the job work now. So job work reports you have to go. Go to job work reports, go to orders. Means see, order is there. We have given the order. And for this order, what is the material required? Components is not showing. Then it's not showing. When it is not showing, just click F8. Oh, it's not showing. No, not necessary. If you show, actually it has to show also. F8, it's not showing. Okay, no problem. And then job work out order book. We are given order. So job work out order we have given. And then material out, we sent material also. Otherwise, it will not show. Only material. When you give the order, it will show this only. Out order, out register, it will not show. But already we sent the register material also. It is showing material out order, out voucher. It is showing the material also. Okay. And in register, so we have not received back. Okay. And then come back. Then go to inventory books. In inventory books, go to go downs. If you go to go downs, see here, raw material, only the balance left. Okay. And then job work, we sent the material to job work. This is the material sent to the job work. So in both the go downs, but go to finished go downs, nothing is there because no finished goods received now. Okay, like this. And then that's all. Okay. Now we completed the everything, that is order is given, material is sent, everything is done. But now what we have to do is, is over. Then 1st May, they will finish the work. They will send back the finished goods to us. So on 1st, we have to enter the entry. That is, we are getting back the material. That is finished goods. So go to other vouchers. Go to material in. Material in. We're getting back the material from where? From Suprabhat Tailors as per this order. Okay. And we are paying cash. And now he is sending to us. So the details when he is sending, material is sent. So destination, we get it. So our destination we have to write. Kokatpalli, agent will take the same thing, Navata. Okay. Lorry receipt number. We're getting back on 1st May. And vehicle number, I'll give some 07, some number. Okay. This is the thing we received on 1st May. Okay. So here, go down. So which go down? See, consumption go down. So we send the material to job work out go down. So from that go down only you will consume the material. So consumption, where they are consumed? They are consumed from material in, means their consumption go down is job work out go down. From that go down you consumed. So this is the consumed. And here, so what is the material you are getting back? Ladies suit you are getting. And when you are getting the finished goods, where you will keep them? See here, you see, allocation for this one, components. And then here, bill of material, don't forget. So it is typically bill of material name. What is the name given here? Shown there on the right side. See, ladies suit. Okay. Now come to the job work order. And the same thing, job finished go down, we will go now. We will store in the finished go down, the finished product. We will come to the finished go down because here. And then 500 pieces, 396. Okay. But here, component of not applicable. This is not component. The other three are components. Component of lady suit it is shown. But here, this lady suit is finished goods. It is not component. That's why component of not applicable. And this is the number of total production. And this is the rate. And this is the amount. So we received this from this. And here, and after that, find, enter consumption details. Yes, is there. If you make it yes, and there it is auto. That's why automatically it will take the material consumption. If it is manual, it will show no and manual. Then you have to make yes, and manual means we have to give the material again, once again, all the materials. So it is no means auto means automatically it will take the the consumed material, material consumption. For me, if it is no and it is manual, what to do? Here, go to F12. See here, allow auto consumption of stock items. It make it yes. That is why here is already automatically it will take the material. Otherwise, we have to give manually. Okay. So this is the thing we received back. Now, if we go to stock summary, see here, raw material only balance. So the other material sent that is consumed already. The consumed material converted into raw material, finished goods. So in the stock summary, raw material and finished goods. And the same thing here, there will be no change. Okay. But here, the purchase will be 3 lakhs. Closing stock will be 3,30,000 because 30,000 rupees charges we added. We added charges also. That we have to make an adjustment. On the left side, we will enter the entry for the charges. The total amount will be added in that. Okay, that's it. Then go to this one. Here in the same thing. 3,30,000 is showing. Here it is showing 3 lakhs. That 30,000 rupees charges we have to enter here. We enter that. It will come to this side. Okay, this one. And then go to display more reports. Then go to job work reports. If you do orders, so nothing is there. Even if you click F8, no orders. So no components. Okay. And then job work out order we have given. Okay. It was there. Job material out order was there. Then register. Then material in register, that thing was there. Now in the material in, we get the finished goods we received. Okay. Now again escape. Now go to inventory books. Inventory books. Go to go downs. If you go to go downs, raw material only the balance. Raw material only the balance. Go to job work, go down, finished goods. So already finished goods has come. But go to job work order. Job work out, go down. Nothing is there because the job work out goods are consumed and converted into finished goods. So previously there was nothing in finished goods. The balance, the material sent was shown in job work out go down. Now job work out go down is not showing anything. Everything is showing in the finished goods. And then there is one more thing. Come back and here go to statement of inventory. Statement of inventory. If you go stock query, if you go to the stock query, see dupatta, kurti, salwar or raw materials purchased and something are sent or balance left. Here you see. This is purchased, total purchased. And in this raw material go down, the balance is left here. And same thing here for the kurti also. So purchased in the raw material go down, left over and the balance. And salwar, this is purchased, this is balance in the raw material go down. But in the case of lady suit, nothing is purchased. We're not purchased. We have completed the work. So job work, you see, finished goods go down. The balance is in the finished goods go down. Nothing is purchased. Balance in the finished goods. So this is the thing. So this is how we have to make this. Okay. Now here. Okay. Now we received back the goods. Along with the goods, I told you already, along with the goods, so purchase voucher we completed, materials in. Now we get a purchase voucher, that is sales invoice he will send. We have to enter in the purchase voucher for the job work charges, then make the payment for the both. Okay, now we have to come to this one, and here we have to enter the purchase voucher F9. Purchase voucher F9. Here, previously we purchased goods, so this is the item invoice mode. Item, name of item. Now we are purchasing not goods, we are purchasing service, job work charges. So go to see here, click this change mode or click Control H. Control H, come down to accounting mode, accounting invoice. Come to accounting invoice means, for example, this is the invoice number. From where we are getting the bill? From Suprabhat Tailors. So from Suprabhat Tailors, we are getting the bill. For what? We are getting the, what is the service we are getting? Job work charges. Click J. See, J, sorry, not L, sorry, I clicked J. J means job work charges. So job work charges, how these job work charges are created? Go to Control Enter. So this is the job work charges, direct expenses, because it is manufacturing expenses, direct expenses applicable. For goods, we enter the sales and tax details in stock item. For services, we enter in the service ledger. So here, make it yes. And here, job work number, taxable. But here I am giving 18% because any service, tax liability is 18% for any service. So I have given 18%. This is over. And one more thing here. In the job work charges, okay, in the job work charges, this is okay. And then, so this is over. And then this is service, type of service, you have to accept that. Before that, when I am creating this immediately, when I am creating job work charges, immediately what I do is, these charges, expenses are direct expenses. They are also to be added in the stock item. In the stock item is closing stock. Closing stock includes all the direct expenses also. So it is to be included in the stock item also. For that, you have to give F12. Sorry, not F12, not F12 here. Control I, see more details, click this more details, or this is Control I, two underlines. So Control I, if you click, see here, you see show more, click show more, and here you see allow cost allocation, the expenses allocation for stock item. This is to be allocated to stock item. You make it yes. So if you click it, another window will open, make it yes. Okay, that's over. This is completed. Here, how much you are bidding? 30,000 rupees, 500 numbers into 60,000, 60 rupees each, 3,000, 30,000 rupees. Okay, 30,000 rupees. Then for this also, the GST is there, CGST, SGST. Okay, CGST, SGST. It's completed. Okay, this is the number, that is the invoice number. That is the invoice number against a new reference. Okay, now you go and see this, all those reports are over. Now we will go to stock summary. There will be no difference. And in the profit and loss account and balance sheet, in the profit and loss account, you see Control Alt F1. See here, the previously purchase were there, all these were there. But here see direct expenses, job work charges. Total is 30 plus 3 lakhs plus 30,000, 330. So the stock item is 330 is the stock amount. So finished goods, in the finished goods, the 30,000 is included. So finished good this much and raw material is this much with us. And if you go to balance sheet also, here 3,50,400 means including both, that is raw material purchase as well as job work charges payable. This is the total amount payable and this is the tax in both the cases. And this is the net amount is 3,30,000 rupees. And 3,30,000 rupees is the stock item and this cash is with us 5 lakhs. This is one. And then, so this is all over, but sometimes we have to pay them now. That also may be paid here. What is given here? You see, 35,100. The on second, first we received, and then on second May, the amount paid, see, the amount is paid to the job worker, that is total, and 2 lakhs paid to global, that is global only partly paid. So we have to give the entry, we have to show when we paid on 2nd May. 2nd May we paid means F5, N5 is the payment. First one is, see, Suprabhat Tailors, we paid. How much is the balance? You see, 35,400. 35,000 total amount is paid. So against reference, 35,400 we paid. Okay. And then another one is Global Corporation Private Limited. For him, it is balance is 315. We paid only 2 lakhs. We paid only 2 lakhs against reference. So 3,15,000. We paid 2 lakhs. Okay. We paid 2 lakhs. See here. 1,15,000 rupees is the balance. Okay, we paid. So this is completed. Now if you go to balance sheet here, so tax is the same thing and Sunday creditors only 115. The raw material amount is balance and for the job worker it is completely paid. And here the stock item stock value is 3,30,000 is okay, but cash in hand is less because we paid for both. 35,400 plus 34,600, I think. 34,600. We paid 35,400. 35,400 paid to the job worker and 2 lakhs paid to the raw material. Total balance is now out of 5 lakhs, balance is 264,600 is the balance. So this is how we have to intimate this one. And one more thing is here. And one more thing is here, if you want to see all the transactions for the whole this one is go to day book and control, there is Alt F2, remove the dates. See all the transactions. First capital receipt, purchase, then this is also, this we did mistake. This one, this is 1st May. 1st May, we received the bill. Goods we received as well as along with the goods, we received the bill also. So this is 2nd May, sorry. So that's why I asked you to see here, the 2nd May. This is up to this one. This is purchase and then job work out order, then material out, then material in also is sorry, this is also 2nd May. So here we are given 2nd May, but this is also mistake. So 2nd May we received it. Okay. The date is wrong. Okay. So 35,000 here we received the material first. It is 1st May. We received the material and then on the same date we received the purchase order, that is bill for the job work charges. And then on 2nd May we paid to the both. So we can see these transactions. All the transactions for 1st April to the end. All the transactions will be shown here. The bill of material is not a voucher. It is only a list of material. That's why it is not shown. All others are shown here. So this is how we have to see the transactions and record the transactions. This is called job work out order processing. So in the next video, we will see how the job worker will record in his books called as job work in order. Okay, we'll see that. So please, for subscribe, everyone visiting my channel, without fail, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and select all option. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and share my channel with all others also. Okay, and view the videos in all videos in my channel in the same serial order in which I uploaded. You will get a very good knowledge and become a very good accountant. And I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.